Assalamualaikum guys, today I will give you a brief but comprehensive recapitulation of second derivative test. Second derivative test is used to find stationary values on the graph of a polynomial. There are two possible points, maximum point and minimum points. Relative are local maximum point and relative are local minimum point, and in the same way absolute maximum point are global maximum point or global or absolute minimum points. So how we can find maximum stationary point or turning point? Its necessary condition, or we say first order condition, is at the maximum point first derivative of the original function will be 0. We use dy over dx derivative of y with respect to x0, or this notation f prime of x 0, where f of x is the original function, primitive function. Graph will be of this form. Here it is the maximum point, and we draw the tangent, and this tangent is horizontal, therefore its slope will be 0. We say f prime of x is 0 at the maximum point. The shape of curve is concave downwards. This curve is concave downwards. Curve lies below the tangents. If we draw tangent at any point, as we draw tangent at this point, this is the tangent, curve is below the tangents. Here we draw a tangent, and at any point when we draw the tangent, curve is below the tangents. Here first derivative is 0 and second derivative of the whole curve is negative. Why the second derivative is negative? Actually, on the left side of this point, we say first derivative is increasing with decreasing rate, and on the right side first derivative is decreasing with increasing rate. That's why second derivative is negative. And these are very important results of this curve. Curve is concave downwards. Curve lies below the tangents. Curve lies below the tangents. Downward shape of the curve. Its necessary condition is at the maximum point first derivative will be 0, and sufficient condition or second order condition is when we put first derivative equal to 0 and we solve it for x, and then we put that value of x which makes first derivative 0, that value of x in the second derivative, and if the value of second derivative is negative, we say the value of the function will be maximum. There will be point of maximum value. This is the sufficient condition. Now minimum stationary point or turning point. Why we say turning point? Because graph takes its turn at this point. Now first it is increasing and then it is decreasing. Its necessary condition is first derivative at the minimum point will be 0, as this is the minimum point and the shape of the curve is like a valley. This shape is like a mountain top, but it is like a valley, and this is the minimum point of this curve. And here we draw the tangent and it is horizontal. It means its slope is 0, f prime of x 0, and we say this curve is concave upwards. If we draw tangent at any point on this curve, curve lies above the tangents, and the shape of the curve is upward. Results of this curve are exactly opposite to these results. Here curve is concave downwards, and here we say curve is concave upwards. Here tangents lie below the curve, curve lies below the tangents, and here we say curve lies above the tangents, and this shape downward shape of the curve, and it is upward shape of the curve. Necessary condition for maximum value or minimum value is same, as first derivative is 0, here first derivative is also 0, but sufficient condition is exactly opposite to this. In case of maximum point, second derivative is 0, less than 0, but in case of minimum point, second derivative is greater than 0, positive. This is the brief recapitulation of all. What is the procedure? We take first and second derivative of a given function, and then we put first derivative equal to 0 and solve it for the variable x. Then we put values of x in the second derivative. If second derivative is negative, then value of the function will be maximum, and if second derivative is positive, then value of the function will be minimum. It is enough for today. Allah Hafiz.